Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. A very easy and very delicious green zucchini dish with olive oil and minced meat will be prepared. 4 kilograms of green zucchini. Green zucchini washed and ends cut off. Green zucchini cut in half and sliced and chopped. Will be in small triangular slices. Ten onions. A wide flat-bottomed pot will be used. Adding olive oil. Liquid sunflower oil. Finely chopped onion, you can fry in a mixer. Onions will fry for 5 minutes. Adding born green zucchini. Mix 1 round, use wooden spoon, needs to be mixed as little as possible. Finely chopped red pepper, non-hot peppers. .35 grams of salt. Black pepper. Cover the lid without stirring and it will be cooked in this way for 45 minutes on low heat. Add chopped tomatoes to cover. Roasted ground beef. Adding ground beef to cover. Crushed garlic. Mix it up a little, the green zucchini will always be at the bottom. After 45 minutes are completed, mix 1 turn, close the lid and the fire. Fried small potatoes being added to the baking tray. Leave the green zucchini dish for half an hour, let it brew. Add the dish over the fried potatoes. Lightly arrange with a wooden spoon. Add chopped parsley. The food is ready to serve. Believe it is very healthy and delicious. Cook it with this method, you will love it. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate recipes Chef Salim, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.